What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA rears on this brand new Lexus RCF. So stay tuned. So first, let me tell you a little bit about the new NIA rear spats. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F-Gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in Hydro Dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. Four, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. Five, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. With the purchase of the NIA rears, you're gonna receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're gonna need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the bumper, make sure there's no rocks or any road debris stuck underneath. Once the bottom of the bumper is clean, you're going to align the rear spat to the bumper, and you're going to notice that the clip lines up with this hole right here. With the clip remover, we're going to remove the factory clip. Now with the clips that we provided to you, you're going to present it through the pre-drilled hole, and you're going to install it back on the hole where you remove the original clip. Now that the factory clip is holding up the rear spat, this is when you're going to use the support screws that we provided to you and present them through the pre-drilled holes to self-tap into the bumper. Make sure to only drill them halfway in, that we prevent from over-tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Now that the screws are in halfway, get the stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to hand tighten every single one to prevent from over-tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RCF. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Thanks again, guys.